To issue a new quote, you can do so by using the plus icon in the top right hand corner and selecting quote. This will take you into a screen that's very similar to the invoice screen, so you can start adding your contact details. Expiry dates, you can specify the settings within invoice settings, or you can just add 30 days, 14 days, whatever your terms may be. Quote reference will be automatically picked up from the Xero settings. You can also add a reference if you need to, currency, select a branding theme. If you're using project, assign it to a project and specify whether it's tax inclusive, exclusive or no VAT. You can then start going through and adding your details. So if we just pop some details in here. So we've done our quote. The terms should be picked up from your invoice settings. However, you can add terms in here if you want to, and similarly you can attach files here. Once you've done that, you can then either save it as a draft or you can send it. So in this case, we're just going to mark it as sent. So now you can see that it has changed to allow you to print a PDF copy if you need to, or mark it as accepted. So when the customer has reviewed the quote, they should actually either mark it as accepted themselves, or they will just notify you that they agree. You can then manually mark as accepted. Once that's done, it will then change to create an invoice. So once you have completed the work, you can then create the invoice. You can mark it as invoiced here and then select create, and this will then convert it into a new invoice. It will do it in draft initially so that you can just check that everything is okay and you don't need to add any extras or anything on there. If you're happy, you can then select approve. Oops. There we go. Select approve, and this will then go in onto your debtors list and will be awaiting payment.